Hi guys, so finally we are going out and people are saying it's too breezy, it's chilly out there, so we're going to move fast. Oh my god, this guy is so much scared. Oh my god, they're very much scared.
People are rushing and running inside.
Yeah, here we are.
Do we want to go?
Oh my gosh, just a second. Oh my gosh.
Not us. Oh, it's on our eyes. We're goggles. Do we have our shades with us? I think we are covered well. It's our eyes. We need shades.
It's too snowy, man.
So, Mayur, hi everyone. We are at the top of Europe, Mount Jungfrau, and I think you can see the snow.
All over, the snow is all over. You will not be able to see any view because it's covered with snow. The snowstorm. It's the snowstorm and not just snowfall. See. So this is the point where you will be able to see and look on a viewpoint. But since the snow is that deep and the snowstorm is that strong that you are not able to see anything. Even we are not able to see anything with our naked eyes.
Hi. I think I'm packed well. The
Yeah.
thing which is there, my eyes. Snow is
Don't
going in
notice.
my eyes. Oh. Okay.
Cover well. Yeah.
Yeah. I think like this it is better. So this is nice.
So there is a Christmas tree.
This is a Christmas tree. It is all laden with snow. I think the beauty of Jungfrau are the trees which are laden